Is your Windows 11 PC stuck on the restarting screen after an update? Don't panic, and more importantly, don't press the power button yet. A lot of people make one simple mistake here that can actually make things worse or even risk data loss. In this video, I'll show you the safest step-by-step method to fix it, even if your PC looks completely frozen. First, let's understand what's going on. When Windows installs an update, it often shows a restarting screen while finishing background processes. Sometimes it may look stuck, but it's actually still working. This can happen due to large updates, slow hard drives, system conflicts, or interrupted updates. So before doing anything risky, we follow the safe order of actions. Step 1 is simple. Wait. If your screen says restarting or shows a spinning circle, give it at least 15 to 30 minutes. If it's a major update, even up to 1 hour. Why? Because forcing a shutdown too early can corrupt Windows files, break the update, cause boot errors, so be patient here. This step alone fixes many cases. Now, how do you know if it's actually frozen? Look for these signs. The spinning circle is not moving. No disk activity, no blinking light on laptop/PC, no change for a long time. If nothing has changed for 30 to 60 minutes, it's likely stuck. Now we move to the next safe step. Step 3, Safe Force Shutdown. Now we carefully force a shutdown. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the PC turns off. Important, do not keep pressing repeatedly. Do not unplug unless necessary. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then turn your PC back on. Sometimes Windows will fix itself automatically after restart. Step 4, Enter Windows Recovery Mode. If your PC gets stuck again, we need to enter recovery mode. Here's the safe method. Turn on your PC. As soon as Windows starts loading, hold the power button to turn it off. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. On the next boot, Windows will automatically show Preparing Automatic Repair. Then you'll see the recovery screen. This is completely safe and built into Windows. Step 5, Run Startup Repair. Now inside recovery mode, click Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options. Select Startup Repair. This tool automatically fixes boot problems, repairs corrupted files, restores startup settings. Let it run. Your PC may restart during this process. Step 6, Uninstall latest update. If Startup Repair doesn't fix it, don't worry. Go back to Advanced Options, then click Uninstall Updates. You'll see 2 options: Uninstall Latest Quality Update, Uninstall Latest Feature Update. Start with Quality Update. This removes the recent update causing the issue without deleting your files. Step 7, Last safe option, System Restore. If the issue still isn't fixed, go to System Restore. This lets you go back to a previous working state. Important, your personal files stay safe. Only system changes are reversed. Choose a restore point before the update and continue. Before we finish, here are some quick tips. Always keep your laptop plugged in during updates. Avoid forcing shutdown unless necessary. Keep backups of important files. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your issue, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. And if your PC is still stuck, check the full description. I've added extra solutions there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.